있는 종이란 말이야. 그 오는 걸 항상 마음속에서 기다리고 준비하는 이런 종. 예? 구체적으로 말씀하면
1882 is shown here being demonstrated by one of his assistants. This engraving was made for publication from the photographic. The cylindrical housing octagonal. In this way, Murray was able to analyze the wing movements of birds.
Let's make a film!
The first step is to repair any breaks in the film, so technicians can view and evaluate its condition. They do this using a simple device, called a splicer. They lay each broken end into the splicer's track and cut off the severed frame. A missing frame here or there isn't noticeable.